So as I say, me I go drive the goat. And you know say goat now you go just feel say as a human being, you go fit just do anything like when you want do am. Na so I come reach there o. Instead make I just drive the goat, I come say okay make I catch am. So I reach there and I come stand for the door and the goat no even see where to pass. E dey run around for inside the parlour. So I come bend down say okay make I just catch am. Before I know wetin dey happen, everything na black out o.
The goat.
Oh, e hit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I believe you are doing great. I am doing great too. Guys, in today's video, we'll be doing brother tag. This is my brother here. Introduce yourself to my subscriber.
Hey guys, my name is Elvis, aka Humble Bishop. Here is my elder sister.
Okay. So guys, like I said before, we'll be doing brothers tag. We will talk about how we take that time when we small. All the things, all those play, everything wey we do that time, we wan just yarn about am. So I believe you will enjoy this video. So let's dive into the video. So welcome to my channel. So we wan talk about our childhood. First of all,
there are plenty now. Which one you want to talk?
Okay, where we first talk about the one when I forbid you. This my brother, na quiet person from childhood. We know dey fight. He get one boy, na him friend. So as the boy come our place, the boy come talk about say, he come tell me say, na 3 or 4 years the night tell me say, maybe you go fit beat Elvis. I don sure say you go fit beat am. Now I say, I go fit beat am. He say, really? Now I say, okay, now I just carry am put for my hand. My shoulder like this. Now I turn am, I use am hit ground. That one come dey tell am say, woman beat you, if he beat that time we small, if he beat you. Then that he come vex. As that one don pull down those, he come vex. Then I wear gun, this thing gun. Now so he draw am for back, use am attach my neck. The thing come pain me. Now I run. So as you still remember me?
That one I not too remember too much. But I know that day.
Okay.
I know that day, but the thing don't escape me small.
I remember everything. The day where I don't want to forget. May I gist you. As I just run from that place, now I come as he touch my neck, I can't run, I can't go meet my brother. He can't cry. Say he must break my head today. He must break my head today. Then I can't run enter inside room. As I run enter inside room, I can't close the door. He can't go window. He carry stone, start to throw stone from window. Make the stone come hit me. I can't enter on that bed. I enter on that bed. I lock the window. I lock door. I dey on that bed. I come tell myself say, hey, which kind of wahala be this one? And the guy, the friend wey cause wey instigate the fight, that one don comot. He go house. He come leave us. No be small thing until my mother come beg before he come calm down. So that day, that is one thing that I will never forget. Because he say that one dey tell us, he don't be woman don't beat you, that he come provoke. So which other one you remember? When you talk about how you dey follow fowl that time.
You say I dey follow fowl. The thing be say na just natural thing. When we get livestock, person go try to dey follow am up. So maybe some people for the other side for the this thing no collect them. So for the fowl side there, say I dey always like to dey make sure say that they okay.
You dey protect them.
I dey protect them. They build house for them, take care of the house. Maybe if someone is sick also, I come become doctor. I dey treat them somehow, and they go dey fine. Even if I wan give them food, e get as I go take mention some this thing, they go respond so fast. They go come eat, then they go go again. If maybe some fit not even still come house, I go know. Na me go fit detect say maybe somebody don collect some fowl, maybe the thing not complete. And I just be my, I'm not saying I'm my position, but I just, as we pass it, see at that time.
He like, no, he said that anybody puts up on that position, that what he don't like. If they take care of them, he will. That time self, if I want lay egg, I dey like am maybe say if I would lay egg, I go dey comot the egg, one go dey cook am. You know say for Naija that time, if I want lay all this hen, you go understand the fact wey one because he go dey jump somehow, you go dey shout, and once you tell them say this one don dey lay egg. If maybe I will just see the fowl like that say they jump, I know say this, I will just tell am say if you say this fowl dey lay egg, wait for you, you know wan tell me because you know say if he tell you where they go.
The thing I go complete, the fowl just you go dey do throw away. Anytime I lay egg, you go dey collect them. So I will need to hide them for him.
I will tell am say where this fowl for? He go say he don't know. He don't know where for the lay egg. But he know where for the lay egg. He know say I wan go dey take the egg go dey cook. When we talk about the war of goats.
Ah, so.
I remember one. So we dey outside, as we dey outside now, because we get all these domestic animals for our house, like fowl, chicken, goat, all those things. Yeah, we get them. So as all of us come dey outside, then the goat come dey play for inside our this, because we get our house. E be like say no be fence o, but e get as they build and go up like that. So now they come tell am say my father come tell am say make go drive that goat. Drive the goat out for house. As he reach there, tell them what
yeah, it's very funny something that time. So as I say, me I go drive the goat. And you know say goat now, you go just feel say as a human being, you go feel just do anything when you want to. That's why I can't reach there. Instead me I just drive the goat, I go say okay, me I catch am. So I reach there and I can't stand for the door. And the goat not even see where to pass. They run around for inside the parlor. So I come bend down, say, okay, me I just catch her. Before I know what they happen, every now I black out.
The goat.
Oh, it hit my face. I'm not gonna say again. I begin. I hold my lips. I say, oh, baby, very funny. The thing comes swell up, self.
That story, yeah. So when my father tell am say go drive that goat, as he really know say goat animal dey do one thing, if maybe you pursue am, e come dey edge, you know see, he look here, you know see where to escape again. Yeah. Then he go want fight back. He go just now the goat just jump up, he hit am for forehead. He just black out, you know, for that. Wetin we call here be say, oh baby, pẹ̀lú.
That was what experience. So.
Then we run go there. When we reach there, hey, they go say, who they tell you when you catch the goat, drive the goat, then they tell you, see, that there, I laugh. For a long time, we call the use until they laugh and they call oh baby pẹ̀lú. The childhood that time, it was so fun. Is there any other thing when you remember that time?
Yeah, plenty things there, but we don't know which one to talk about now.
What about the as we say play that time, all those children play?
And so that time the thing, if maybe somebody there in a bad mood, if you remember all the play when person play, when they small pikin, you go they forget that is the stress go just go. Or like that this thing when they call a BK. So this one maybe group go dey one side, you go be the first person, but anybody when you catch, you go come dey join you until the last person standing. So that one dey very fun that time. If it dey more fun when people plenty.
Exactly.
Yeah, and that one when they do with they call that one Arukmoyin. Maybe 10 people gather for this thing, bring your papa, your mama this wrapper.
Wrapper, yeah.
You use and cover everybody. Then you need to touch the person. Maybe if you measure the person when you touch. Just like that.
What about Don Gabo? Which one is Don Gabo that time?
Also, Don Gabo na you choose. Maybe 5-5. One person when not they go stand for the middle.
Okay.
Then go hold like handkerchief or other something like that. You hold like this. Then if maybe now you first come, this other group fit take am, then the other side go pursue am. If you fit touch the person, then you just score points.
Now that dog gabo na dey take break my neck here that time when I this one. Because I first talk about for the story time one time.
Yeah, the thing they very dangerous.
Now for some for even they play that game. I don't know how it is something just happen. So I just fall. They can't break my because they drag. When I take everybody come gather me, I come dig and they come press me down.
Yeah.
Then my head, it just break. That time.
Before you go take like me sometimes. If maybe you don't want, because it's like when you take, you have like when the whole community they pursue you.
Exactly.
So if you not be person where you not sabi wrong,
You
even though you throw away, unless if you throw away, they will feel if you like
if you see hold on, yeah.
they will follow until you remove throw away. But if you they press you down, you see they shout say I don't throw away. If there are plenty, your own don't finish.
That's what they do me. Because as I hold, everybody just follow me. Now I can't see hold on. They just, before I know what they happen, they don't break my hand.
Yeah.
For 1 month, 2 months, I no go so I can't go they do. When they carry me, they go where they go they do.
The village fund, they very
That
very
is
interesting.
so interesting.
Every year they see like something when it rain.
Exactly.
Yeah. Maybe that one for your ring or your go, another one will come. Maybe the time of what do they call? What do they call this one that time?
Okay, no.
Koso.
Koso, yeah, Koso time.
Koso. You got the time. That one see the fun too much for that one also.
Yes.
All this thing where they roll tire time, or the time when they look for all this scavenger where maybe they look for aluminium.
Okay, yeah.
I remember that year when you hear say that all those people just they knock a bottle.
They walk back.
Then you go just they run up and down go they. Some people go they carry their mama new aluminium cover pot. Go press.
Go press now. Go turn to the one way not good again.
You come sell and you will go use and buy keto slippers.
Oh my God!
Village days too.
It was so for that time, so for all this spiritual now. When children they all this play toys, all these toys. When children they play that time when we they create them by ourselves.
Like this fun. When you go get the way where you take cut mango leaf.
Yeah, leaf. You don't do anything.
Then you go pull needle as you dey go the thing dey roll. They use and the fun.
It was so fun. It was so fun. Growing up was so fun. Before person come go grow, come comot for village, come go city and all of that.
Yeah.
It was so fun. Especially those fowl, those goat one. That any fowl wey no enter house, if they know, if they know like me now, me no even care. Anyone will call you when they not call. I don't even know how many there be. But you will know all of them. The one will not enter. You will know the one will not enter. Oh my God! So guys, I said let me go talk this one. This one I just the starting. So we will do tag to most of the time. At times we'll just do some challenge. So stay tuned. I will invite and come. So now they see I'm often. So like you said before, your Instagram handle.
Humble Bishop 2.
Okay, Instagram handle now Humble Bishop 2 on Instagram and on TikTok also.
On TikTok, Humble Bishop 4.
Okay, on TikTok, Humble Bishop 4. So you can follow him on TikTok or on Instagram. So thank you for coming. Thank you guys for watching. Until we see again. Bye.
Bye.